So here we are, we're with Bob. You got a brand new bike.
Right now I got the brakes on, and I'm going to release the brakes on both. I have both front and rear brakes.
Okay.
So
how do you do that?
You take your hand and you squeeze your brake, and this will pop out. See that pop out?
Oh yeah, that there.
Released the brake. Now I'll do this side. Now it's released.
How do you set the brake? You pull it, squeeze it,
and squeeze it,
and that keeps it from rolling away.
You can't get it away. You have to release it like that.
Okay, what's the name of this thing?
The name of this thing is Vivi, V-I-V-I.
And where do you get this?
You get this by going online to the Vivi company in California, or you can go to Amazon. They carry the Vivi brand.
Oh, okay. Did you get this off of Amazon?
No, I bought this from the company.
Okay, but we can find an affiliate link on Amazon for this if somebody wants to buy one.
Yes.
All right, so how does it work?
It's an electric bike.
Okay.
It has a 750 watt motor, and it has 75 amps. That's a raincoat.
It's all open.
Yeah.
What's in here? Oh.
Hey, you gotta have your Swisher Sweets, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so how do you start it and get it going?
The battery is down here in the back.
Okay, that's the
This
battery.
is the battery, and I'm going to push the button on the battery.
Oh, wait a minute, let me see how you do that.
Here's the battery in the back.
Okay.
It has a button to turn it on right here, where my finger is, a little button.
Okay, so
I push it and hold it in for a second, and then release it.
Okay.
Then I come up here to my control, and I turn the battery on by depressing the middle button.
Okay, cool.
Now the battery is on.
So you got 46 miles you can go?
Correct. No. That's what I've done already on the bike, 46.
Oh, wow.
That's the mileage.
And the battery you've got like
almost full.
Wow.
These are your speeds on the top and the bottom. This is level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5 with a maximum speed of 15.5 miles per hour.
Okay.
This reduces the speed. 4, 3, 2, 1.
So
now,
how fast would you be going on one?
On one, I can go about 8 or 9 miles per hour.
How about two?
Up to 9 or 10.
Okay, and then
and
3.
Then 12, and then ultimately to 15.
Okay.
And there are 2 ways that you can power this bike. One is simply by setting your speed, and then here is your throttle. Right here.
Oh, yeah.
The throttle works like that. See, the bike is jumping already.
Yeah.
That's your throttle. The other option is called pedal assist, which is the bike that you have.
Right.
Pedal assist means you kick in the motor simply by pedaling your pedals, and it'll kick in.
And you can, and when you change these settings here, you can go faster as you pedal?
Yes.
Okay, or you could just throttle it up.
Or you can throttle it out. Now, to save to get further distance, of course, pedal assist will take you much further. You can go up to 50 miles in distance using one battery, utilizing pedal assist.
Excellent.
Do I sound like a...
You sound fantastic.
Yeah.
You are a perfect advocate for this product.
So that's it. Okay,
so let's take a look at it here.
Let's take a ride.
Okay, yeah. So I just get on it?
Yeah, just get on.
Okay.
Hold it because...
I'm scared.
There you go.
Okay. Now I can just pedal it.
Now use pedal assist. You're on number 1. So just use that for now.
Okay.
Okay,
well,
so you're going to have to change.
I got to switch hands. But I've got this is the front brake, right?
Yes.
So if I go like that.
That's your brake.
And so I can just go this way.
Yeah, you got it?
Oh, shit.
Keep it steady.
Bob.
And then twist the throttle towards you.
Uh-huh.
You need 2 hands just to get used to it, Tommy.
Yeah, it's true. All right, Bob, you're going to have to video me doing it. You're going to have to point this at me as I do it.
I will. Later.
All right, so Bob does wear the helmet, which is important. He's got his cocktail. Never drink and drive.
A number of times.
It has disc brakes. Check it out. Back here, you don't see the disc here because the disc is down here underneath. You can see it right over here if you look. Let me back up. So the disc is right there for this one. Here's the drivetrain. It's a chain, small, but you can see how it comes around.
Last but not least, Tommy, you want to go on a trip?
Uh-huh.
You take the bike and you can fold it in half.
Oh, wow.
Come over here.
Uh-huh.
Stay here.
Okay.
You see this handle right here?
Yep.
Take this handle, pull it out like that, and the bike will fold.
No shit.
And then you can lift it up and put it in the back of your SUV.
Is it heavy?
Yes, it weighs over 100 pounds.
Oh, yeah, I'm not picking that up.
No.
So we pop this way.
Yep.
And then this folds over.
Yes.
Okay. And then under here is where your disc is. I'm trying to get a better view of it, but everything's kind of in the way. You can see it in there, that disc brake, and then you can see the drivetrain, how it works. This comes from the wheel to this motor, and then the motor
loose. Quinn's got to fix
moves
this.
over here, and it kind of drives it around. But yeah, I think that's it right there, Bob. All right, you going to give us a demonstration? Just be careful. It's so much different than a regular bike.
Yes. Oh boy, this seat's hot.
That's because I got a hot butt.
All right, I'm off.
All right, be careful, drive safely, watch out.
See you later.
All right, here he goes. Woo! And he is on his way.